Streamlit is an open source Python library that makes it easy to create and share beautiful custom web apps for machine learning and data science. In just a few minutes, you can build and deploy powerful data apps. Let us start by importing basic packages for web applications. Streamlit cannot be installed locally, so you need to create a virtual environment. I have already created a virtual environment. Here I'm just activating it. Now install Streamlit using pip. I'm installing Watchdog along with it for better experience. Now let us create a web application to display chart. So I am generating input with 3 points, x1, x2, and x3. And I'm giving labels for each point. Now I'm giving structure for the chart using Plotly. And finally, I'm calling Streamlit to get the web application. You can modify based on your requirements. I'm attaching Streamlit's documents and cheat sheet in description. You can find it here. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.